Hi everyone, how are you today? I love spring and summer because all the plants start to grow. And I'll bet your mom has some flowers planted in her yard. Today we're just going to do a very quick craft making a flower. Now I've made my flower. I've glued on my foam and I've glued on the center of my flower. And I made a stem and some leaves, and I just used some glitter glue to make my leaves nice and shiny. But if you really want to dress that flower up, and it might not look the same as in your garden, but it's so much fun, you could add some bling to your flower. I just have some bling here. These are sequins, but you've probably got all kinds of things you could use just to dress your flower up a bit. So you can make it look exciting and beautiful, something that you want to look at every day because it just makes you feel so good. There we go. And if you want to, you could add some things like butterflies, if you happen to have these at home. And we have kits at the library. You can stop in and pick up a kit to make a flower at home. So there I've got butterflies on my leaves just to make it look like more fun. So if you would like to make a beautiful flower, stop in at the library and pick up a kit and go home and make a beautiful flower to give to your mom or your grandma or your aunt, or just to keep for yourself and look at every day. And you could say some poems about flowers too. Flowers, flowers everywhere, in the garden, in my hair, in the vase and at the store, on the table, on the door. What a lovely time of year. Flowers blooming, bringing cheer. Or here's one called I Plant a Little Seed, because you can start seeds to make flowers. I plant a little seed in the cold, cold ground. Out comes the yellow sun, big and round. Down come the raindrops, soft and slow. Up comes the flower, grow, grow, grow. Because we all know that flowers need sun and water to grow. So I hope you have fun making a flower, and I hope you get a chance to grow some flowers at home. You have a great day, and we'll see you soon. Goodbye.